Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about linear motion. So, before we talk about linear motion, we're going to talk about acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity, so it has a magnitude and direction, and it's the change in velocity over time. Acceleration has units of distance over time squared, so most commonly it'd be meters over seconds squared. That's the SI unit. If a car was speeding up, then it would have a positive acceleration. If the car was slowing down and coming to a stop, the acceleration is negative, or you could say that the car is decelerating. And to find the average acceleration, you take the final velocity minus initial velocity and then divide that over time. And the most common type of acceleration that we